The heaven is gray. The rain is coming. Just enjoy my time and relaxing with a grateful heart. So let's sing. What we need to do is self-feeding with grateful heart. Whatever we are facing, sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's tough, sometimes it's rough. But life is must be gone. And promising of God is He will go with us through the fire, through the river, through the flood, and whatever we are facing, He said He go with us. And I believe. And I always choose to have a grateful heart. Because when I look around, this is really devastating feelings. I see hard situation like flood, fire, coronavirus, and it's really painful. But I ask God really to help them and try my best to be thankful and grateful. What really matters is to have a grateful heart and be thankful. So I encourage everyone, if you are really in the situation that down, remember that God and Jesus said He is with us, and choose a grateful heart, and we have a power to choose. So let's sing. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say I am strong. Let the poor say I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say I am strong. Let the poor say I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. The birds just sing with me. I did not even invite them. Oh, thank you. What a beautiful singing we have. We have a choir. Thank you so much, birds. You make my day more wonderful. Great singing. Yes. What a beautiful choir tonight.